Explosive ED charge sheet on Aam Aadmi Party's links with the liquor scam. Damning chat of Arvind Kejriwal's aide and Hawala traders. ED citing this, saying Kejriwal's aide, Chauhan, has chatted with some Hawala traders and they seem to have accessed those chats. ED charge sheet says Kejriwal's AAP role has been established. Through these chats, it's quite evident that Aam Aadmi Party allegedly has taken part in transferring nearly 100 crore rupees for their poll campaigns, likely in Goa. ED says clearly, and I quote, AAP has used 100 crores as kickbacks from the liquor policy for their poll campaign expenditure. AAP has used Hawala channels for bribe. Alleged chats show accused links to Kejriwal as well. What does this mean? Shrishti Ojha tracking court for us. Shrishti, please take it away. ED really stressing on how they found chats of Arvind Kejriwal's close aide with some of the Hawala traders where they tried to push some money through Hawala channels for poll expenditure, basically for their poll campaign in Goa. Shrishti, if you're with me. Right, we're going to try and get through Shrishti on the phone line while we hear ED now in its charge sheet that's presented in court has detailed how they have found some chats of Arvind Kejriwal's close aide Chauhan and some of the Hawala traders. All right, we have Arvind Ojha joining us on the phone line, our correspondent tracking those details. अरविंद जी प्लीज बताइए, यहाँ पर आम आदमी पार्टी का रोल भी दिखाई दे रहा है चार्जशीट में जो ईडी ने फाइल किया है उसमें बोल रहे हैं कि अरविंद केजरीवाल का एक क्लोज एड है जो हवाला ट्रेडर्स के साथ बातचीत कर रहा था और ब्राइब मनी हवाला चैनल्स के थ्रू भेजने के लिए कोशिश कर रहा था।
देखिए नबीला, ये जो ईडी की चार्जशीट है जिसमें आम आदमी पार्टी को आरोपी बनाया गया है, ये चार्जशीट सिर्फ इंडिया टुडे के पास है और जो किंचित पूरा एविडेंस है ईडी का, जो ईडी ने लीकर स्कैम में जो इन्वेस्टिगेशन किया था वो चार्जशीट में पूरा उसका ब्यौरा दिया है। इसमें अरविंद केजरीवाल का स्टेटमेंट भी है। इसी में चार्जशीट में खुलासा हुआ कि कैसे विनोद नाम का शख्स, जो ये भी स्टेब्लिश किया ईडी ने कि विनोद अरविंद केजरीवाल का बेहद करीबी था। अरविंद केजरीवाल के साथ कुछ जो चैट्स हैं वो भी ईडी ने अपनी चार्जशीट में मेंशन किए हैं और उसमें मेंशन किया कि कैसे विनोद को हवाला के जरिए पैसे मिले थे और विनोद जो हवाला के जरिए विनोद को पैसे मिले थे उसका बाकायदा स्क्रीनशॉट है जिसमें 100 रुपीस का नोट भी दिखाई दे रहा है और वो गोवा में हवाला का जो 45 करोड़ का था वो गोवा के इलेक्शन में इस्तेमाल हुआ था। अब इस जो नोट था, जो पैसा था हवाला के जरिए, वो जब इनकम टैक्स में रेड किया था तो जो नोट का नंबर था और जो गोवा में पैसे का इस्तेमाल किया था वो मिले हैं, जिससे ये स्टैब्लिश्ड होता है। साथ ही साथ अरविंद केजरीवाल का जो स्टेटमेंट ईडी ने लिया था वो भी हमने एक्सेस किया है, जिसमें अरविंद केजरीवाल ने साफ साफ ईडी के सामने इनकार कर दिया था कि उनको जो ये पॉलिसी स्कैम था, पॉलिसी जो मेकिंग था उसके बारे में कोई जानकारी नहीं थी और तमाम आरोपों से अरविंद केजरीवाल ने ईडी के सामने इनकार कर दिया था कि फंडिंग से रिलेटेड उनको कोई जानकारी नहीं होती। तो आम आदमी पार्टी को आरोपी नंबर 38 बनाया गया है इस चार्जशीट में और इसमें कई चौंकाने वाले खुलासे वो ईडी ने किए हैं। सीधे जो लीकर पॉलिसी स्कैम है उसमें ये बताने की कोशिश की गई है कि कैसे जो लीकर पॉलिसी स्कैम में जो पैसा था वो जो कमाया गया था वो आम आदमी पार्टी के इलेक्शन, गोवा इलेक्शन में 45 करोड़ इस्तेमाल हुआ और कैसे कैसे करके आम आदमी पार्टी के लोग जो लीकर पॉलिसी स्कैम है इससे जुड़े हुए थे। तो ये पूरा खुलासा ईडी ने अपनी चार्जशीट में किया है और वो चार्जशीट इंडिया टुडे के पास मौजूद है जो हमने एक्सेस किया।
All right. Thanks very much, Arvind. But let me cut across. We have more news in this case on the Delhi liquor policy. Is charge sheet now been filed by the Enforcement Directorate? More information coming in. All right. Arvind Kejriwal defending himself, pointing fingers at his aides. Kejriwal blaming Durgesh Pathak for Goa funds. Kejriwal says he has no role to play in the Aam Aadmi Party funds for poll campaign in Goa. Kejriwal says Vijay Nair worked under Atishi and Saurabh. Ministers don't discuss policy with me. This remark made by Arvind Kejriwal with regards to the Delhi liquor case, where the ED seemed to have found some chats, a trail of chats that suggests that bribe money was sent through Hawala channels to their Goa poll campaign. Here you have Kejriwal, who's defending allegations against him, saying that it could be the aides, basically Durgesh Pathak, who was responsible for Goa funds. You can ask them. He says, Kejriwal says he has no role to play in Aam Aadmi Party funds in Kerala's poll campaign. He says, Vijay Nair worked under Atishi and Saurabh. Ministers don't discuss policy with me. These are words of Arvind Kejriwal. Let me quickly cut across to Shreya, who's joining us for more on that. Shreya, please elaborate for us. Is the matter now being presented in court? The charge sheet, we believe, has been filed in court, and it breaks down how that bribe money was allegedly sent to Goa through Hawala channels at the behest of Arvind Kejriwal's close aide Chauhan. And moreover, Kejriwal has responded to these allegations saying, I wasn't responsible, I had no idea. You have several other netas who are working, they don't discuss policy with me.
Well, Nabila, we've accessed the entire charge sheet in the liquor policy scam. Remember, the cognizance on this charge sheet was taken yesterday, based on which, for the first time, Aam Aadmi Party has also been summoned on the 12th of July. Now, in this charge sheet, very categorically, the entire proceeds of the crime that was allegedly routed through Hawala for the Goa elections has been established. Apart from this 45 crores, there's 25 crore which was actually routed by one of the very close aide of Arvind Kejriwal, Vinod Chauhan. Allegedly, ED has also attached the chat between Arvind Kejriwal and Vinod Chauhan that establishes his closeness. Vinod Chauhan was a man known to Arvind Kejriwal. From his phone, with forensic evidence, the Enforcement Directorate has also unearthed chats with Hawala operators. Now, the bank notes and the photos of the bank notes that has been found in Vinod Chauhan's phone also allegedly matches the ITC's data that has been recovered of the money flow from Delhi to Goa. So this is for the first time we are getting evidence of clinching, direct evidence linking Aam Aadmi Party with the proceeds of the crime in the liquor policy case. Also to point out that we've also accessed the entire statement given by Arvind Kejriwal before the ED. Arvind Kejriwal suggests that Durgesh Pathak was in charge of the Goa elections. Everything related from the election to fund management is entirely done by the state Prabhari. So in a way, he suggested that Durgesh Pathak would have been in the know-how of the entire fund management for the Goa elections. Also, in connection with Vijay Nair, who is one of the key accused in livening the entire policy, Arvind Kejriwal suggested that he does not know Vijay Nair. Vijay Nair used to work directly under Atishi and Saurabh Bharadwaj. So in a way, Arvind Kejriwal has passed the buck, allegedly, as per the statements attached in the charge sheet by ED, and also for the first time, direct link of a close aide of Arvind Kejriwal as attached in the charge sheet has been brought before.
All right, thanks very much, Shreya. Thanks, Arvind Ojha, for joining us with those details.